Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. What's going on, CEO family? How are you? Hello, 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 hello. Happy day to you. I am on a little field trip, I like to say, a little excursion. I'm getting ready to go into a new store that opened up in our area called, Pan Asia Supermarket. I love Asian food. I think after visiting Thailand, I just love different foods, some different environments, and visiting China and all that kind of stuff. I just have an affluent love for culture. Yes, I do. So I'm getting ready to go in here and I'm going to share this experience with you guys so you can see some of the things that they have in here. It's kind of a unique restaurant. We do have some unique grocery store. From my understanding, they have a makeup place in there. They have a different kind of smoothie place in there, and they have over 60 types of seafood and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to go here for this excursion. So excuse me if I seem overly joy, but this is how I am all the time. But anyway, I would love to put some lipstick. I was sitting up here looking at my lips in the mirror. I would love to put some lipstick on. But right now, unfortunately, we're still in the midst of COVID. And people are still nasty and think they have rights and don't want to wear a mask. I have rights too. I want to live my best life without a mask on and put on my lipstick and be able to travel and all that stuff. But until we can get a cure, until we can get a solution to this problem, we got to do what we got to do. So I got my cute little mask. Look what it says. I buy and I sell real estate. Yes, I do. So I'm going to put it on. And I like this because this is one of the better masks that I have, because it has these little things on the side of it. For some reason, my face is either too small or too big. Too small, because my mask always falls off my face. And quick short story here, I had put my mask on the other day and I forgot. I was in the house and I had some lip gloss on, some lipstick, put my mask on and got it all red and rougey up in here, so I had to wash it like the day I bought it. But anyway, let me go ahead and put this mask on. You know, I actually like the mask, you guys. I think the mask is sexy. I think it gives some kind of mystique to you if you're not a criminal. But other than that, I pulled it too far on my ear. But I actually really love wearing a mask. In fact, I don't know why I've ever traveled without one, because I done been on a plane with some nasty people. I mean, literally nasty. But anyway, so I got my mask on. It's all nice, pretty, tight, and secure. Make sure I got the parts closed on my nose. And I'm looking at people in front of me getting out and they don't have no mask on. See? That's what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, so let's go do this and I will show you all the goodies that are in store. Stay tuned. y'all, I was going to another store, but I literally just spent $102.63 in this store. And I cannot tell you, outside of all the dang on drinks I got, why my bill was $102. Hallelujah. But I will tell you that I enjoyed the experience in there. $102. Still trying to figure out why. Can't see this bottled up anyway. But I got a lot of different things that I had never seen before. Some different fruits, and I got some things that I saw when I was in Thailand, like the dragon fruit. I did get the duck frog legs. I'm going to go home and I'm going to cook those today. And I also got some lamb meat and some duck wings. So that is going to be on my entree this week, depending on what my week looks like. But tomorrow I'm going to try the duck wings. Today I'm going to do the frog legs, and I'm going to surprise my husband and my son. My baby, he's at school right now, but he would really appreciate the different culinary foods that we're trying. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do my best to record me cooking or making this different cultural dish. Thank you for joining me. If this is the type of videos you like to see, if it's just cooking, I have a straight portfolio of videos of cooking and shopping and grocery hauls and all that kind of stuff. I also do pretty much lifestyle, business, real estate, family. I do vlogs and just do a lot of different things, and I would love for you to be a part of the CEO family. So if you are not, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and leave me some comments if you're familiar with this grocery store, and if you like shopping in grocery stores like this, because I thought this was a great experience to actually diversify people's culture. I saw one brown person in there that looked like me. Outside of that, I didn't see anybody else, but I really don't give a dang on, because I like to get out of my comfort zone, and I like to try different things, and I like to do different things no matter if nobody else experiences it or not. I like to get out and be able to share my experience. So that was kind of disappointing, because I'm kind of like in a suburban area, and I guess in this area that they put the store in, I guess this is the primary target market for them. You know, being in business, you want to make sure that you target your market, and it was extremely crowded in there. I was in line probably about maybe 30 minutes before I got there, but the personnel, the staff, everybody in there is very helpful. So I'm really looking forward to going to try some of the things that I have. So we'll see. I can't go to another store. I've done damage this weekend. So alrighty then. Thank you all for tuning in. Blessings and peace. Take care. I don't know which side I'm looking. I'm looking on that side. I think I got my phone upside down, but blessings and peace. Thank you for being a part of my space. May God continue to grant you grace, mercy, happiness, and may everything that you touch, may it turn to gold. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.